In 2016, we got a notification from Sri Satyasai Vidyavahini about a courier from Deloitte. In the courier, we got many teaching aids, models, charts that Deloitte has sent us. We used all those teaching aids for teaching purposes, and now teaching has become more exciting, easier, and convenient.
All the teaching aids which has been sent from Deloitte through Vidyavahini, we are using them in our classes as well as in different exhibitions.
These teaching aids are very much helpful because these teaching aids are according to our needs.
Deloitte teaching aids are matched to the topics in our syllabus and come with clear instructions for use.
Sometimes we challenge them to take the model apart, explain its workings and assemble it back together. This gives them a lot of clarity in understanding how things work. Each concept in science suddenly comes alive.
With the help of this material, our school children are enjoying the process of learning more and more.
Also, the materials that are provided are not only useful for our students, but they are very useful for us as it makes teaching learning process very easy.
Students are getting more realistic knowledge whenever the teachers are explaining with the help of the teaching aids in front of the students.
क्योंकि बच्चे और टीचर जो हमारे होते थे उसके प्रति काफी उत्सुक रहते थे कि इस साल हर सिलेबस के साथ या हर एक सब्जेक्ट के साथ कौन कौन सा ऐसा मटेरियल है जो अटैच होगा और हम उसे किस नए तरीके से पढ़ा सकते हैं.
The students can see, touch and feel what they are learning as right knowledge. The boring classrooms becomes an exciting learning space with these aids. Thank you.
2016 से हमें कोरियर के थ्रू जो मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं जैसे मॉडल्स, चार्ट आदि, इससे हमें काफी फायदा हुआ है. साथ में जब भी वो बॉक्सेस हमारे पास स्कूल में पहुंचते हैं तो टीचर्स और बच्चे एक्साइटेड हो जाते हैं कि इन बॉक्सेस में इस बार नई चीज हमें क्या सीखने को मिलेगी. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप हर साल की तरह हमें इस मटेरियल को प्रोवाइड करवाते रहें ताकि हमारे टीचर्स और बच्चों की स्किल्स इंप्रूव होती रहे.
In the year 2019, I visited over 30 rural schools in 8 states of India and saw firsthand the impact of Deloitte teaching aids on the lives of students and teachers in these schools. Everywhere there was a recurring theme of 1 or 2 children in every class who were most distracted and disruptive. And these children all of a sudden found their calling by working on these teaching aids. So the child who was frequently sent on detention to go to the principal's office found herself or himself putting together a solar kit or making the generator kit work, and suddenly this child becomes the champion in the class. The peers are praising, the teacher is full of appreciation for this child, and this child's self-confidence starts to soar. This child is the typical perfect candidate who would fall through the cracks in our education system, which is geared only largely for auditory and visual learners. The kinesthetic component that Deloitte teaching aids bring into the classroom has saved many children from actually leaving school. And this sudden interest in technology and science that the Deloitte teaching aids have brought to rural schools has led to 4 of our schools qualifying for the Atal Tinkering Lab, which is a generous grant from the Government of India to set up a lab in a rural school. Teachers are enjoying the deeper sense of engagement from their children, and everybody is looking forward to coming to school. The goodwill that Deloitte Impact Day generates really gives an opportunity to the child who otherwise had no shot in life to advance in his or her education. For the team at Deloitte, I know it takes weeks and weeks of planning, and one big day, the Deloitte Impact Day, when everything is put together and couriered to these schools. But the ripple effect of this on the lives of those children who would otherwise have never ever experienced the joy of learning with such high quality learning materials is very hard to describe and hard to measure.